What's going on, good people? It's Terrence, and this is SGT TV. So definitely, if you guys have not subscribed or liked, please down below like and subscribe our page. We got some amazing content for you guys, and we'll continue putting out some good stuff just to teach you some good food and all that good stuff. Okay. Today we're doing jerk chicken tacos. Listen, I'm a huge jerk chicken fan. I love it. I absolutely love the process of grilling and marinating the chicken and grilling it traditionally, like how they do in Jamaica over pimento wood, all that good stuff. So today we're gonna go through there. I'm gonna show you we're gonna make a marinade. We're gonna marinate this chicken. I'm doing boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and we're gonna marinate them overnight. And then we're gonna get on the grill and grill them up, man. They're gonna be amazing tacos, all right? So first thing first, we're gonna start with the marinade. So I've already kind of prepped everything that's gonna go in the marinade here. So we got a half of a white onion here, or you can actually use a whole onion for some smaller onion or medium onion. I got 2 to 3 Scotch bonnet peppers. I left the seeds in. If you want it to be less spicy, that's okay, you can do that. I got 3 scallions, some green onion here. I got 4 garlic cloves. Right here I have a half a cup of liquid aminos. Normally you may see soy sauce, but liquid aminos will be an amazing substitute for that. So we got some half a cup of liquid aminos. I got a half a cup of orange juice. Right here I got a tablespoon of vegetable oil, or you can use olive oil. Actually, that'd be even healthier. And here I got my spices. I got my dry spices. So here I got a tablespoon of salt. I got a tablespoon of black pepper. I got a teaspoon of allspice. I got a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And I got a teaspoon of ground thyme. So listen, this is amazing right here. So we're gonna be ready to rock and roll. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my trusty NutriBullet. I'm gonna put all this stuff. I'm gonna throw all of this inside. Try not to make a mess here. Throw all of this goodness. You can smell the flavor too. Listen to me. Once this comes together, let me tell you, it's almost gonna be like a paste. That's amazing. I love that smell. All right, let's get this thing going. Perfect. That's all I'm gonna do here. Take those boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Throw them in here. We're gonna pour that marinade all inside of there. Cover that. Oh my goodness, let me tell you something. That's gonna be good right there. Listen to me. So that's it. So listen, I'm gonna put this in the fridge. We're gonna let this go overnight. I'm gonna come back. We're gonna put this on the grill. Grill these up, man. We're gonna show you what those jerk chicken tacos are gonna be like. All right? So stay tuned. All right, folks. So now we're back. So listen, now these bad boys have been marinating overnight. These jerk chicken thighs. So now getting ready to throw these bad boys over here on this grill. Got the pimento wood on here. Oh yeah, gonna be good eating right there. So now we'll let these bad boys cook, and then we'll get ready to set up and do our jerk chicken tacos. All right, we're back. So now listen, I got the jerk chicken off the grill. This looks nice, it's beautiful, got a nice char on it. I also have some grilled pineapples, and I have some grilled jalapenos. So now, what do you get when you mix some beautiful jerk chicken, some grilled pineapples, some grilled jalapenos? To me, it sounds like it's gonna be some amazing jerk chicken tacos. All right. So first thing what I want to do is I want to take these these boneless, skinless thighs that we cooked up, and I just want to chop them up so we can get these ready for the tacos, okay? The flavors are gonna be amazing together. The reason why I like to use the boneless, skinless chicken thighs for the jerk chicken because of just that extra fat flavor. It just tastes amazing together. I mean, if you could smell all the seasonings, all that marinade when we marinated that chicken overnight, oh my goodness, they smell amazing. And now it's time to go ahead and put these bad boys together. All right. Oh my goodness. Get some of these corn tortillas. I'm gonna plate these bad boys. I don't know about you, I'm ready to eat. So listen, I'm gonna put me a little bit of chicken in here. My goodness. Put you some of these grilled pineapples. And the beauty of it is you got that little sweetness, but then because of the wood, the pineapple's got a little smoky flavor too. And then for that extra little bite, you got those grilled jalapenos. All right, but now listen, it's not over though. Because for me, now at this point now you can freestyle and do a lot of different things. You can add some cilantro, you can add some sour cream. If you want cheese, you can add some cheese. But now me personally, because the chicken it's got a little spice on it from those habaneros, right? Or Scotch bonnets, I'm sorry, but me personally, I like to freestyle. I like to switch up and do some different things. So this is for me. This is what I like to put on my jerk chicken tacos. Chick-fil-A sauce. Seriously. I mean, listen, it may sound crazy to you, but listen to me. It's actually pretty amazing. It's something about that sauce mixed with the flavors of the chicken and the pineapples. Listen to me, let me tell you something. This is gonna be good. Oh my God. I promise you want to taste this. Seriously. Listen, you guys remember, please like and subscribe to the page. Recipes down below, okay? And listen, trust me, I want to hear your comments and let me know your thoughts on this, okay? Amazing, all right? We'll talk to you soon.